Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website in Wix using a cell phone. First, download the Wix Owner app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it and either choose a pre-designed template or begin with a blank canvas. The app's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to arrange elements directly on your screen, giving you full creative control over your site's layout and appearance. Designing your site on your cell phone is surprisingly easy. You can customize colors, fonts, and backgrounds to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. Easily add images and videos directly from your phone's gallery, enhancing your site's visual appeal. Wix also provides responsive design tools, ensuring your website looks fantastic and functions flawlessly on any device, from a small phone screen to a larger tablet. Now, let's add some functionality. You can easily integrate essential features such as contact forms, booking services, or even a full-fledged online store directly from your phone. Manage your blog posts, update product listings, and refresh content anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to connect your social media accounts to your Wix site, expanding your reach and engaging with a wider audience across different platforms. Once your website is looking perfect and all your content is in place, take a moment to review everything thoroughly. Check for any typos or formatting issues to ensure a professional presentation. When you're completely satisfied, publish your website with a single tap, making it live for the world to see. For more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Keep your site updated and continue to grow your online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.